Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have another Ameritron Al-80b here. Soft start resistor is damaged, already removed it. Tube was damaged during shipping. Customer said it had issues prior, so I wasn't able to high pot the tube because it was broken apart in the box. So not sure if the tube had a anode to grid short or if there's a problem with one of the caps yet. So I'm going to go through it, see what's going on, I'll fix it, and I'll get back to everybody and let you know what I found out, what I had to do. The air variable capacitor on the plate side looks okay. The SO239 on the input side has little to no grip. The output one's okay, but I'm going to change both. I always change them in pairs. I'll change the gas discharge tubes just in case it had a flash from the plate to the filament. I just don't want this gentleman to have any other issues. I want it to go back, and like any other amplifier, I want to see the customer have a lot of fun with it and not have to send it back at any point. So I'll be back. See you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe at the end. I'd really appreciate it. See you soon. Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. I'm back with the completed Al-80b. And this thing was kind of messed up, you know. I don't know what the previous owner did to this. A customer purchased it from someone, didn't work. TR relay wouldn't engage, so I went through it. The soft start resistor was damaged. The metering board was severely damaged. I have it over there. Ended up replacing it with a new one. I don't want to take any chances. Changed the gas discharge tubes, as you can see right there, and the LED. The LED was open. The resistor in parallel with the LED, the 33 ohm resistor. So changed all that. Did the 10 meter mod. Placed the SO239 on the bottom. I ran out. I'm waiting on new ones to come in, so I'll replace the top one when I get them. They come pretty quick, so I made sure I put the brand new one in on the bottom. The output one, that's most important. I found one that had some good grip on the top, but it's used, so that will be replaced. Cleaned all of the switches, the relays, everything with deoxit gold. Check the air variable capacitor on the plate side. The plates look good. A lot of times they can be damaged. I'm putting it into an open or really bad SPR. Plate choke looked good. So this got a brand new 3500Z from Penta Labs. Awesome company. Superb customer service. And that's about it. So if you need an amplifier repaired, one you see on my YouTube channel, please give me a call. Waiting on the new circuit breaker for the panel so I can test the 6 meter amp to full output, and you guys will see a video of that. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 73.